Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming this is an iPhone X and checking iOS in settings so you rule out software quirks. Next, test both volume buttons and the mute switch to record exactly what fails. This tells you if it's hardware or firmware. Once done, power off the phone, remove the case, and gently clear debris around the side buttons with a soft brush. This small action often restores contact and prevents needless disassembly. You'll now isolate hardware from software. Enable assistive touch and accessibility to change volume. If that works, the buttons are likely hardware faulty. Next, make sure iOS is current, and if needed, back up and restore via Finder or iTunes to remove software corruption. If software isn't the problem and you're experienced, open the device carefully. Inspect the volume button flex cable and bracket for corrosion, kinks, or misalignment. Replace the flex cable if it shows damage, because worn contacts stop registering presses. You finish by reseating any disconnected connectors, reattaching the bracket and testing both volume buttons thoroughly before sealing the screen. Make sure to use genuine or high-quality replacement parts. Cheap buttons or flex cables will fail again, which is why quality matters. Once reassembled, confirm functionality across calls, media, and alerts. If problems persist despite correct parts and assembly, don't push further. Seek a certified Apple repair or authorized technician, because complex board-level faults require professional tools and expertise.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.